Hey, my name is Maxwell. This is Peelaways, the world's first fitted bed sheet with 5 peel-away layers. We make it in all sizes, 1 layer, 3 layer, 5 layer. I'll give you a demonstration of how it works. Peelaways is a fitted bed sheet with the elastic at the bottom. It's 100% latex free. Peelaways is proven to be softer than traditional linens. There's very little friction, which is better on the patient's skin. The first question everybody always asks is Peelaways waterproof? Will feces, incontinence, blood penetrate from layer to layer? I'll show you right now. The answer is each layer is 100% waterproof, guaranteeing that nothing can penetrate from layer to layer. When there's a mess, you simply break the seals at the top of the sheet and you peel it down and instantly have a brand new sheet below. As you can see, nothing will go down to the next layer. You can feel that the coffee is warm, but it won't penetrate through. So this mess you simply just throw away and instantly have a brand new sheet. We have technology within the sheet that gives it a stretch that relieves the pressure from a patient laying on the bed. So between the sheet being softer and more convenient, the best aspect is if somebody is bedridden, you could change a sheet within 60 seconds. You would have the patient roll towards you and you would peel this away, and then you go to the other side and simply just peel this one away. That's better patient comfort, better time allocation for the caregivers, and that mess, once again, you simply dispose of. We believe disposing of our products will lower hospital-acquired infections and reduce cross-contamination. So the benefits are that it's softer, it's 100% waterproof. Nothing from the mattress could touch the patient, and nothing on top of the sheet could touch the mattress. So there's so many great benefits for Peelaways. We make them in every single size, from crib all the way up to American King, and we can customize to any size necessary and tailor to your needs.